How much heartache can one take? I still hear mother's bones break. I see our father's rightful stake. And when the men they betrayed, our enemies led us here, hurting all those we hold dear. But you will picket history, your death will mean victory. Hussein, soul of my soul. 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 Zainab, don't cry. Please dry your eyes. You are the light of Hashemite in the dark night. Nations will rise. This is the price. We are the key for those looking for paradise. Carry the flag. You are my hand. Dignity longs to learn from you after your stand. For us be strong. Your journey's long. You are the scale that separates right from the wrong. Hussein, soul of my soul. 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 My brother Abbas is gone. Who will protect us at dawn? Shimmer will bring his dagger drawn, and even you will be gone. On this land it will be shown, soaked in blood the roots are sown. Swords and arrows and even stones, I won't let you die alone. Hussein, soul of my soul. 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 I hear the call, I cannot stall. Fasten your stance firm on these lands after I fall. This is goodbye. I will not shy. Forever with your blood painting the land and sky. Hussein, soul of my soul. 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 Hussein, soul of my soul.